listen, and practice. The diversity of a family. In our small apartment, we are a family of opposites. I am an active, outgoing person who is always on the go. My brother, Ethan, is a quiet, introverted bookworm. The differences between me and Eth are evident from the moment we wake up in the morning. I am usually up early to help my mom cook breakfast. Ethan, on the other hand, often wakes up just in time to eat. After breakfast, I go outside to play, while Ethan stays home to read. I might play soccer in the park, ride my bike around the neighborhood, or simply run around and explore. Ethan, on the other hand, likes to find a quiet spot to read. He can read anything from fantasy novels to science books. In the evening, we all gather for dinner. We talk and laugh, and we share stories about our day. After dinner, I might watch TV or play video games, while Ethan might read or listen to music. Even though we have different interests and personalities, we are still a family. We love and support each other, we are a team, and we work together to make our home a happy place. Repeat after me. In our small apartment. In our small apartment. In our small apartment. We are a family of opposites. We are a family of opposites. We are a family of opposites. I am an active. I am an active. I am an active. Outgoing person. Outgoing person. Outgoing person. Who is always on the go. Who is always on the go. Who is always on the go. My brother, Ethan. My brother, Ethan. My brother, Ethan, is a quiet. Is a quiet. Is a quiet. Introverted bookworm. Introverted bookworm. Introverted bookworm. The differences between our fowl. The differences between our fowl. The differences between our fowl. Im effen are. Im effen are. Im effen are. Evident from the moment. Evident from the moment. Evident from the moment. We wake up. We wake up. We wake up. This in the morning. I am usually up early. This in the morning. I am usually up early. This in the morning. I am usually up early. To help my mom. To help my mom. To help my mom. Cook breakfast, Ethan. Cook breakfast, Ethan. Cook breakfast, Ethan. On the other hand. On the other hand. On the other hand. Often wakes up just. Often wakes up just. Often wakes up just. Time to eat. Time to eat. Time to eat. After breakfast. After breakfast. After breakfast. I go outside to play. I go outside to play. I go outside to play. While Ethan stays home to read. While Ethan stays home to read. While Ethan stays home to read. I might play soccer. I might play soccer. I might play soccer. In the park. In the park. In the park. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. around the neighborhood, around the neighborhood, around the neighborhood, or simply run around, or simply run around, or simply run around, and explore, and explore, and explore. Ethan, on the other hand, Ethan, on the other hand, Ethan, on the other hand, likes to find a quiet spot, likes to find a quiet spot, likes to find a quiet spot to read, to read, to read. He can read anything. He can read anything. He can read anything. From fantasy novels, from fantasy novels, from fantasy novels, to science books, to science books, to science books. In the evening, in the evening, in the evening, we all gather for dinner. We all gather for dinner. We all gather for dinner. We talk and laugh. We talk and laugh. We talk and laugh. And we share. And we share. And we share. Stories about our day. Stories about our day. Stories about our day. After dinner. After dinner. After dinner, I might watch TV. I might watch TV. I might watch TV. Or play video games. Or play video games. Or play video games. While Ethan might read. While Ethan might read. While Ethan might read. Or listen to music. Or listen to music. Or listen to music. Even though we have different interests. We have different interests. We have different interests. And personalities. And personalities. And personalities. We are still a family. We are still a family. We are still a family. We love and support. We love and support. We love and support each other. Each other. Each other. We are a team. We are a team. We are a team. And we work together. And we work together. And we work together to make our home a happy place. To make our home a happy place. To make our home a happy place. Well, how did you do with the reading? I'm about to ask a few questions. Let's see how well you've retained the information. What does the speaker usually do after breakfast? A. Play video games. B. Read books. C. Explore the neighborhood. D. Listen to music. C. Explore the neighborhood. What is Ethan's favorite activity in the evening? A. Playing soccer. B. Watching TV. C. Reading. D. Cooking. C. Reading. How does the family spend time together after dinner? A. Playing video games. B. Talking and laughing. C. Riding bikes. D. Cooking breakfast. B. Talking and laughing.